Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix FaceTime unavailable, turn on mobile data or use Wi-Fi to set up FaceTime. For example, as you turn on your FaceTime on your iPhone iOS 18 and you see this kind of error on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, first of all you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, as in they mentioned in the error, that you have to simply turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi, and after that you have to simply go to your FaceTime setting, and you have to simply try to turn it on again. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device by pressing and holding the power and volume key button. And after that you have to simply start it again, and you have to check whether your FaceTime is now working properly or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode again, and you have to check whether your Wi-Fi router is working properly or not, and you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router also. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. For this, you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. And after checking that, you have to also make sure that your Face ID is also working properly or not. If your Face ID is not working, then you will not be able to turn on the FaceTime on your iPhone iOS 18. So before going further, you have to make sure that. So after checking all the errors, if the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.